Here at Axiom, we're out here dry camping, boondock camping. No plug, no problem. We're in Muskegon, Michigan, testing out, doing some R&D with our all-new Boondocker Elite package that we're running on this particular model. We're excited to debut this packages, all the different packages that come along with the Boondocker series. We had a lot of customers that were retrofitting and doing all of this after the fact. So we felt that it was really necessary on our part as a manufacturer to come up with an entire system that was built directly for consumers and ready to be used for consumers. What we did is we have our standard series that comes standard on every single unit, and that's going to include a Victron 3000 watt inverter as well as two 200 watt solar panels for a total of 400 watts there. That has a solar controller as well with that. As well as the battery disconnects. Also comes with all the wiring and everything included, so if you were actually wanting to upgrade this package, you would be able to do so. That's another big part of this that we wanted to start with, to ensure that customers, if they bought a unit that had the standard package and wanted to upgrade to our later packages, we have all the wiring there and able to do this and do it actually very quickly. That was a big part of this, is we want to make sure we took care of our customers, not only that decided to upgrade to the Boondocker series of packages, but we want to make sure that if you bought a unit that did not have that stuff on it, we want to make sure that you were very easily able to add that to your unit. And that's our standard package. And then we have what we call our Boondocker package. And that's going to come with one 48 volt battery, and then also still has one 48 volt Victron 3000 watt inverter. It will also come with a solar controller, and then also we'll have 6 200 watt solar panels. That will be the package for that. And the intention for that is really the whole intention for the 148 volt battery. It really has about enough power to run a single AC overnight, if that's what you're looking for. We wanted to make sure that our customers that maybe don't want this huge all-out packages of our Elite or anything else, we wanted to give them a wide variety of packages to choose whatever suits their needs for their solar needs. You now can upgrade from your Boondocker and go to what we call our Boondocker Pro. The Boondocker Pro comes with 12 200 watt solar panels. So it's a lot of power going to this unit when it's all said and done. It also comes with the solar controller. It comes with 2 3000 watt Victron 48 volt inverters. And then it also comes with 2 48 volt batteries. The cool thing that really separates Axiom from a lot of other companies out there that really gives us so much more efficiency is our mini splits, of course, because they only take about 625 watts of power at full usage as far as that goes. And they're so much more efficient than everybody else. That's one of the big benefits, is we don't have to run nearly as much solar to run 2-3 ACs on this particular unit. The Boondocker Pro, as long as you got a really good sunny site, you can still run all 3 ACs on those. However, it does have considerable amount of battery draw, and it got to the point where even on certain days, if there's a little bit of cloudiness out there, you wake up in the morning and the batteries would run all the way down when you're running the ACs all night long, as far as that goes. We were gonna originally have the Boondocker Pro be like the top line for us, but until we realized that, man, some of these customers and some of these conditions that people are staying in, I mean, even here right now, it's 93 degrees right now, and we're running this unit on solar as we speak, have been for the whole entire week and the whole duration of this trip. So it's been a really, really awesome experience to watch and see how low the battery goes down to in the morning. And so it's been really awesome to watch. I mean, we've been running the air conditioners full tilt, nonstop, have never turned them off at all. And so that was the need for this, what we call our Boondocker Elite package. That comes with 16, yes, I said 16 solar panels, 200 watt solar panels on here. The entire roof is filled full of solar panels. Good thing is, with an Axiom, we don't have anything else on the roof anyway. So we have all the room up there that we can actually encompass and have that many solar panels, that where most other manufacturers would have no ability to fit that many solar panels on an actual roof. So not only do you have 16 200 watt solar panels, you have 3 48 volt batteries, which is unbelievable, I mean, as far as that goes. And we actually store them directly, in all 3 packages, the batteries go directly below our pull-out tray there too. So that makes it very awesome. So everything is super easy to get to. Even if you need to reset the batteries, which happens sometimes, you take them down to a lower point, you can easily access it by just pulling out your pass-through tray. And they're also very well protected to make sure that tray is covering them up so that you don't have to worry about anything damaging your batteries or anything like that in your pass-through storage. It's also gonna come standard with 2 3000 watt 48 volt Victron inverters. You're also gonna have the solar controller. Another cool thing that I also forgot to talk about in the Boondocker Pro and also the Boondocker Elite, it's also gonna come with an automatic gen start. That's really convenient too, so if you do happen for some reason to be in a super cloudy day or maybe surrounded by a bunch of trees where the solar is not gonna be able to operate in its ultimate efficiency that you're possibly looking for, the automatic gen start, you can set it to where the batteries get to any portion of battery life, and it'll automatically fire up that generator and recharge your battery, giving you as long as camping experiences you need to have. This we feel is very important. I think this is something that consumers have been asking us for quite a bit, and we've seen it because so many of our customers have already been doing this after the fact and upgrading their units. And it costs so much more to do it after the fact because it's not only the system itself, it is a pretty expensive system, but the hard part about it is running all the wiring and doing all that through the entire unit, where we can very easily do that during the production process. To all the customers too that don't have this package on their unit, you can very easily and quickly install this and cut hours and hours and hours of installation time that you'd typically be dealing with if you were trying to retrofit a unit after the fact. We're pretty excited about this. I think this is definitely gonna be a game changer for the industry, and I think it's gonna truly provide customers that want that boondocking option, that don't wanna be tied to campsites, that don't wanna be tied to your normal traditional campgrounds, and they feel like they can go off grid and they can live. I mean, because not only with our battery and the boondocking package, I mean, you got 150 gallons of fresh water on this thing. I mean, we've been boondocking all week. I mean, literally the whole time. We have not dumped tanks at all. We've been boondocking. We've been living off 150 gallons of water. New thing to teach some of the younger kids that they can't be brushing their teeth with water going the whole time, but it's been a fun adventure for us, and we're super excited for it, and I hope you guys enjoy this Boondocker package, and I hope it's gonna be great for you guys.